Okay.
It's recording?
Yeah. Is it?
Zoom out?
Is it the red on?
Yeah.
Okay, so here at One Stop Media Group, we had a lot of big problems, you know. We try to help clients grow their business by getting leads or phone calls. But one of the biggest problems we've had recently here in this office is we don't know where to put this microwave. So the problem is we got two pluggy thingies. But with the microwave we have three. And then, as you can see, these outlets that are for the desk are already taken. Now here, I have some grade A. I have a grade A lunch meal prepared by Chef Boyardee himself. Unfortunately, it's cold. So, what I'm gonna do is take this. Oh, look at that. This is why we speak out loud, because I think she heard us talking and found an outlet thingy. Oh, we don't have any more problems here at What's that mean?
Problem solved.
Problem solved. That's what we do, bro.
Problem solvers.
We problem solving machines. Actually, no, I take that back. I think, look at that. Is the But maybe one of these, maybe we can replace one of these.
Oh, you're good. There shouldn't, I don't think there's anything here.
Okay.
You could just cut this off. It'll work, I'm serious.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
¿De veras?
Yeah.
Si corta esto ya todavía
Middle
sirve?
one? Yeah.
Are you then why is there three things?
I don't know.
Seems like a waste of material. Wait, one of these. Oh, that's the fridge. I should have unplugged that one. Okay, so all three of these require that we use these. Hold on. 1 second here. Can you cut off the third prong on the electrical outlet?
Okay, I found this on the web for the third prong on the electrical outlet.
Is this called a prong? Does the third prong? The third prong does the ground prong, electrical prong? I don't know. I guess we just can't eat anymore. Just follow me. I'm just gonna use. There we go. Found an outlet. Right here.
You're just gonna leave.
Alright, we are in business. Just gonna grab my food here. Really. We're healthy. We're a healthy company.
Cesar.
Yeah. What's up? Anyways, it's that easy.
Yo creo que vas a tener una en la caja.
¿La caja?
Squirt chiquito. Que tenían 3.
Okay, we might have one. I think it's that one, but. Oh, Alex, screwdriver. Oh, cool.
Oh!
We keep this out for protection. As you can see, we just got a call. I don't know if you can focus on that. We get notification anytime one of our clients receives a phone call. You're in luck, bro.
What is that?
It's a bottle opener.
Oh, nice.
We drink a lot of Topo Chico here, so I'm done with this. I can't anymore. I need a break. So I'm gonna go back to my microwave here. You know what we should do? We should leave it here and wait till Steve gets back. And then turn the camera on and see his reaction. So yeah, that's the new permanent spot for the microwave.
Well, he's on like a.
Why did
He's
you
on
put
like
the
a
microwave
high right
there?
now.
Oh, really?
He's so excited about the deal.
Okay. Damn it! That was it!